Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can register Lidl Plus app. So in order to register or create an account, all you have to do is just open up a browser or you can use the application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. I'm using an application, I'm using a web browser. So type in lidlplus.de and that's going to direct you to the official homepage of Lidl Plus. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the translate button first of all in order to make sure that you know that you have a convenient language. So once you type in lidlplus.com, then it's going to direct you to the official page, and over there you need to go ahead and tap on the register button. So in my case, I'm unable to show you the interface. That's because the app does not allow the screen record features. So all you have to do is just provide in your personal information, your contact details, and you have to verify email address or phone number, and that's basically how you can register your Lidl Plus. That's basically how you can register for Lidl Plus app. So in that way you can register. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.